What's going on, you guys? Today I received a package. I opened it already, you know, to my surprise. So what I did here, we ordered a Sync 3 system here, and the guy, super nice guy, sent it to me. Bought everything, bought the APIM module, bought the screen, and then I'm just gonna take it to Ford to have it reprogrammed or something. But basically, I opened the package, and this guy had sent me everything. By everything, I mean the bezel. He sent me the HD radio too with it. Look at this. We have the bezel, we have the radio. This is what I had originally ordered, you know? I asked him, I was like, hey, does it come with like the USB hub and everything? He's like, yeah man, I'm gonna send you everything with it. When he said he's sending me everything with it, I didn't realize he was sending me everything. And then here we have the Sync 3 APIM and the screen. So we have the module here, got the screen here. We have everything that we need and more. Now, my daytime running lights stopped working. So I'm actually really thankful that he sent this because the daytime running lights get controlled through here too. Wow. Ordered a Sync 3 system, and I got so much more. This is insane. Yeah, he said he was parting the whole thing out. I was like, oh my gosh, let me get that Sync 3. As you guys know, 2015, they come with Sync 2. Ford decided to put the Sync 3 system after, you know, the 2017 model. Like, what the heck, man? Come on. I cannot believe I got this. My daytime running light stopped working, and basically this is the module that controls, that daytime running lights controls from, because the ignition goes on, turns on daytime running lights. First, I'm gonna plug this one in to mine, just to see if the daytime running lights will turn on. And then if it does, then I know it's this. If not, then I need a new wiring harness. But if it does work, we're gonna take the motherboard of this one, put it into mine, and then swap it over and then sell this as a salvage part. HD radio, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm probably just gonna part all this out because I don't need half of this. This is the good stuff that I came here for, right here. And the USB hub. He sent me the entire thing, oh my gosh. Everything works like brand new too. These buttons are brand new. It only had a couple thousand miles on it too, so I know that. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be putting this in. Gonna show you what it entails. Gonna see if the, what's it called? Daytime running lights start working. And then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.